Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to skip sign in while setting up Windows 11. So the first thing that you should do is to continue the Windows 11 setup process till you find the network settings screen. So as see from here, it should look something like this. So after you reach to this screen, you need to press Shift key plus F10. You need to press Shift key plus F10 key at the same time. Now command prompt menu will appear. You need to write this exactly ms-cxh colons then local only as see from here. So what this will actually do is that it will pop up a screen for making a new user account. So you need to write the credentials of a new user. As you see from here, you need to write the username and your passwords. Now after doing that, you need to actually continue your sign in. So now you will have to enter a security question and the answers. After that, after you hit next, now you will be prompted to continue the setup of your Windows without signing in to your PC. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.